Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing a review of one of my favorite car detailing products of all time, and that's the Mother's VLR or Vinyl Leather Rubber Cleaner. This is a very good product as far as an all-around cleaning product for the interior of the car. As it says in the title, you can use this on vinyl, you can use it on plastic, you can use it on rubber as well as leather. And so it's a very affordable product that you can use just for general cleaning purposes in your car. And so what we'll do in this video is we'll show you the packaging, show you the actual bottle, discuss its general use. Then I'll walk through detailing this with my 2023 Toyota GR86. As always, if you're interested in potentially purchasing this, I'll leave links in the description below. Okay, so this is the Mother's VLR Vinyl Leather Rubber Cleaner for the interior of your car. I've been using this product for several years now for cleaning the inside of my car. It's a great all-around product because you can use it on pretty much all surfaces within the interior car except for cloth. So I basically use it on all the door edges, the plastic, the console, even like the steering wheel, the shift knob, and it's a great way to clean and condition the inside of your car without having to use multiple products. Currently you get this on Amazon for about $10 for a 24 fluid ounce bottle, but it's readily available in all sorts of auto stores as well as Walmart. So just check out your local store and you can purchase this. Pick it up off the shelf. As far as the main features, it basically highlights that it's a 3-in-1 product, clean, conditions, and protects. Beyond that, really what I recommend doing with this is basically using the spray nozzle with a microfiber towel and just wiping off all the surfaces, and it's really just a good all-around product for cleaning and conditioning. And so what we'll do now is we'll use this on the Toyota GR86. The other thing I did want to mention before doing that is with the leather conditioner, it's actually pH balanced, so it doesn't kind of cause acidity on your leather, so it does condition it better than other products which are not as leather friendly. But we'll get started with it, actually using this on the car. Okay, so prior to detailing with the VLR, I did want to show you what it looks like on the inside. It's not too crazy. There's some dirt and debris on the, or dirt and stains along the side on the door well, or door on the one side, and then the bulk of the dust and debris that has built up on the inside of the car is actually along the surface. So there's a lot of dust and pollen along the top of the dashboard, as well as some kind of like subtle fingerprints and smudging along the console here, as well as along the shift knob. And so what I'll do is I'm going to use the VLR in a second to clean off the entirety of the car, and then we'll show you what it looks like afterwards. There's probably not going to be a big difference, but we'll get a sense of how it performs. And then the other thing I did want to show you is I did take out the Tuxmats that were my floor mats in my car. You can check out that separate video, but I'll show you what those look like. They've got a lot of dirt and debris on them, but what I'm going to do is actually vacuum those and use the VLR in that, and that'll be a great example of how well this cleans and conditions as far as the floor. Okay, and here's an example of the Tuxmats. You can check out the videos on these because I absolutely love them, and they're phenomenal as far as protecting the interior of the car. But these, it's hard to see now that it was raining a little bit, but they've had a lot of dirt and grime on them, where they definitely need to be vacuumed and wiped down. And so that's the passenger side on the right hand side, and then this is the driver's side. But it's got a lot of debris and dirt. I did shake out a lot of dirt, but we'll have to see how well the VLR performs on this. But this is rubber, so it will clean pretty well, and I'm excited to get these freshened up and put back in the car. Okay, so this is what the Tuxmats actually look like after just vacuuming them. So just by vacuuming alone, it cleaned a lot of the debris and dirt and grime that was on the surface of them without even having to wipe it down. But that's the two Tuxmats. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Mother's VLR on this to really wipe it down and clean off all the surface debris and dirt that's accumulated on. So as far as cleaning this, we're just going to diffusely spray the Mother's all over it, and then we're going to use a microfiber towel just to wipe it down. And the nice part about this is this surface is like water resistant. It doesn't have any carpet incorporated into it, so you can really get in the crevices here and wipe it down pretty quickly, which is much nicer than traditional car floor mats where it has carpet or it gets debris built up into it. So I'm really impressed with how well this is cleaning as far as cleaning the surface. It basically looks brand new as far as that one wipe down, and it took less than a minute maybe. So we'll do the other side as well. So just wipe this down. And so I'm really happy with the Tuxmat and how well it's protecting the car. Like, I'm really happy with the fact that the carpet looks virtually brand new after 6 months of use. And I live in upstate New York where we get a ton of snow, ton of ice, and it does soak through into your carpet at times. So this is a great product for protecting it, and the fact that it fits up along the edges is great protection. So this is what that one looks like. So it looks virtually brand new after 6 months of use. So I'm really happy with this, and the VLR works great as far as cleaning it. Okay, so sorry it's raining a little bit, but I did want to show you how the VLR works, or how I use it in my car. Basically, I'll just spray all the non-cloth surfaces diffusely with this, and then I'll use a microfiber towel to wipe it down. And it works really well because you can really use it on the different surfaces and not have to worry about kind of switching from one product to the next. And so it's a great way to clean and condition simultaneously. And usually using a microfiber towel is the best option for this. You could try using paper towels, but it seems kind of wasteful and things like that. But that's it as far as all you really need to do. And that looks brand new from there. The one thing is, so as far as this specifically, it has plastic here, it has like a pseudo suede here, and then a leather here. I would not recommend using it on cloth like this upper area because it will just soak in, so avoid that. But that's how I generally use it. And then what I'll do now is I'll set up the camera and show you kind of part of the interior just so you get a sense. Okay, and so very similarly as far as the interior, all I do is I basically spray this diffusely and wipe down the entire surface of the car. And you could be really kind of aggressive with this as far as using it on all the different surfaces because you don't have to switch through different products. And so this is a great way to detail and maintain the interior car and wipe away all that dust, dirt, debris that gets in on a regular basis. But that's kind of general sense of how it looks. Let me take off the camera. Virtually it looks spotless, brand new after wiping it down. And there was a lot of like subtle pollen and dust that was on that surface, so it's a great way to clean. So that's all I have for the VLR, but this is a product that I've been using. I absolutely love it. It smells pretty good, a little bit chemically, but it does clean and protect. So for those of you that are in the market for this, I highly recommend it. If you have questions, post them below, but that's all I really have for this video.